Let's discuss the questions and the materials. Basically, a solid circular shaft is there which is under pure tension. So you have a shaft which is in pure tension. So you have torque applied in this direction. Okay, on both sides you have the torque which are in opposite direction. So it's pure torsion. So if you take a small the periphery, if you take a small element, okay, so this will have only the shear stress, okay, on this side. So I'm just taking a small, so you'll have a shear stress on this side again and shear stress because of this. So if you add the complementary, and now from the top if you look, you have an element like this. This shear stress is because of this torque, okay, and this shear stress is because of this torque. So and but you need to add the complementary to balance it. So and now if you look from the top, this is the state of the stress at that, sorry, this has to be like this. So this is the state of the shear stress acting on this periphery element. We are taking periphery element because there only the shear stress will be maximum, because we have this, right, T by J is equal to tau by R. So for a given cross section and given torque, the shear stress will be maximum at maximum periphery from the geometrical axis, and that happens at the periphery. So this is the state of shear stress. And now if you draw the Mohr circle for this, well, the Mohr circle again, I mean, you have to find out the maximum principal stress, which is sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2, which sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2 plus or minus sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2 whole square plus tau square. So all that, if you go through, sigma 1 sigma 2 is 0, so you will get plus or minus tau. So you have a positive axis tau, you have a negative axis tau. Join these 2 points. The center of the circle is 0, because center is again given by sigma plus sigma 2 by 2, which are all 0. So this is the Mohr circle with the radius as the shear stress. Okay, so the maximum normal stress is nothing but the principal stress, which is nothing but tau. We got that. I mean, that again, you don't need a Mohr circle to plot it, you can just use the formula also. And the maximum shear stress is again the radius, which is here, which is again tau. So max shear stress is tau, max normal stress is tau, and therefore the ratio is 1:1. Okay, so the answer is A. This is again a very simple problem. Answer is A. Thank you.